Manufacturing Record Book, MRB. Contractor shall prepare the MRB that contains all the relevant certificates, test reports, drawings, calculations relating to the contract as per Vendor Document Requirement List, VDRL. The format and content of Manufacturing Record Book shall be in accordance with the approved MRB Index. MRB Index shows the table of contents and shall be submitted by the supplier and approved by the client. MRB shall be progressively compiled by the contractor during fabrication and verified by the client's inspector during periodic inspection visits as per Inspection and Test Plan, ITP. Contractor shall review and endorse the contents of the MRB prior to submission to the client for approval. MRB may be endorsed by the Independent Verification Body, IVB, Certifying Authority, CA, or Third-Party Inspection, TPI, or just the client's inspector to verify material, code or type approval requirements. For more tips, visit inspector-training.com.